How a college dropout turned $300 into a multi-billion-dollar toy empire, the untold story of Lego. Picture this, you are sitting in a small, smoke-filled wooden workshop in post-war Denmark, surrounded by sawdust and unsold wooden toy. Your factory has just burned down for the second time, your wife has passed away, and Europe is facing a massive economic depression where nobody has extra money to buy toys for their children. Most people all out declare absolute defeat and walk away from manufacturing forever. But Ulrich Christiansen, he shot the rock foundation for a global empire. Back in 1932, Ulrich Christiansen was a master carpenter who started making wooden ducks, U.S., and cuts when the housing market collapsed. But wood was becoming increasingly expensive and hard to source. In 1947, Christiansen took a massive financial gamble and purchased Denmark's very first plastic injection molding machine, a futuristic, incredibly expensive device that most traditional toy makers considered a ridiculous gimmick. At the time, plastic toys were viewed as cheapy, fly-a-missile trash compared to traditional wooden craftsmanship. He started experimenting with plastic building blocks, but early versions lacked stability and kept falling apart. Everything changed in 1958 when his son, Fred, patented the modern interlocking brick system with tubes inside. That simple design element gave the blocks unprecedented, crude power, allowing children to build structures that would not easily collapse. They named the company Lego, derived from the Danish words Ligotti, meaning play. Despite the brilliant innovation, entering the global toy market was brutally difficult. Traditional toy retailers looked at plastic bricks, claiming they had no educational value and lacked the detailed features of dolls or model cars. Instead of giving up, Lego focused entirely on the system of play, ensuring that every brick made in the current year could seamlessly connect with bricks manufactured years earlier. When a devastating fire destroyed their wooden toy warehouse in 1907, Christiansen made the definitive choice to stop making wooden toy altogether and focus 100% on plastic bricks. That bold pivot paid off beyond imagination. By expanding into theme parks, movie, video games, and licensing massive pop culture franchises like Star Wars and Harry Potter, Lego transformed into the most profitable toy company on earth. The lesson is simple: true innovation requires letting go of the past. If a better technology or method emerges, don't cling to outdated traditions, embrace the future, perfect your core product, and build a system that stands the test of time. Don't forget to subscribe to Business Story Global for more incredible global business secrets and startup stories. Hit that subscribe button right now.